This video is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site ondzhub.com. Ondzhub.com is a dangerous website that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you verify that you are not a robot, but to click on allow is truly a mistake that may hijack your browser with many annoying ads. If you don't want to see these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. So you now need to remove the junk sites from the list. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then start researching your device to detect and eliminate all other types of infections which could still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.